Hello, Chris here with Atlantic Drain. Today we're out in Pickerington and I just put another drain tile in the ground. I just want to go over a few pointers. A few of the finer points of downspout drain tile installation. One, before you cover it up, be sure you have proper slope from the back downspout out to the street. You want to make sure you have nice flow. Right there is about a quarter bubble. That's plenty for this distance. Another thing I want to show you is if you're using polyethylene pipe, that's what this is in the ground, and polystyrene fittings, you want to glue each fitting as well as put a mechanical bond onto the fittings. So you have both a mechanical bond and a chemical bond. If you're using polyethylene pipe and styrene fittings, there is no glue that actually bonds them chemically to where they won't come apart. It's not PVC, so it's best to go ahead and chemically bond them and mechanically bond them. That and making sure you have proper fall out to the street on all the pipes. No standing water. That's nice. It's quarter bubble. Downhill flow. We have chemical bond as well as a mechanical bond. These are number 8 half-inch long hex head screws. They just barely come inside of the polyethylene pipe. They just pierce it. And I keep them up on the top so no water can come out. There's full bubble on this one. And one more thing. Another fine point. See that bell section? See how it's facing towards the back downspout? This is proper installation. Bell should be facing away from the street. So, downhill flow, chemical as well as mechanical bonds on all your fittings when installing polyethylene pipe. Let's go ahead and get this one covered up. I'm Chris with Atlantic Drain, reminding you it's easy once you know how.